How to undo repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can undo a specific repost on TikTok, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to undo a repost on TikTok, in this case I'll go ahead and open up TikTok, right? And if I open up TikTok, let's say I reposted a specific video, I would need to just go ahead and then tap on the share icon next to it. Then here you'll find the option called repost. I would just need to tap on the repost option in order to repost this specific video. But one of the quickest way to undo that repost is to simply undo the action by just tapping on the share icon again and then tapping on the remove repost button. This is one of the quickest ways to do it. But let's say you missed the videos because you have scrolled through quite a few number of videos after that. So in this case, I'll go ahead and simply repost it again by just tapping this icon over here, then tapping the repost option in this case, as you could clearly see. So let's say I reposted it. Now I have missed this video because I've scrolled through other videos. What you can do in that case is we can come to our profile page, tap on the three lines icon, go to settings and privacy, go to the option called comment and watch history. So look for the watch history option. Then at the very top you can see watch history again, just tap on it. Now here you have to locate that specific video you reposted because this is your watch history. It might be a messy and all the videos that you watched in the past, but you have to go ahead and simply locate that specific video. Once you locate it, all you have to do is just tap on the share icon from the bottom right again, and then now you'll find the option called remove repost. Basically in this case, if you go ahead and tap on repost, your repost is going to be removed successfully. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then undo the repost on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.